Revisit lang natin ulit yung Hilux E, alright? Nagkaroon na to ng upgrade. So yung nakikita nyo Hilux E right now, parang siya yung Hilux G dati. Okay? Yung Hilux G naman ngayon, mukha na siyang Conquest. Alright? So before we begin, meron kaming trade-in dito. Okay? But before kayo pumunta, of course, set muna kayo ng appointment. Kasi baka mamaya wala yung appraisers namin dito. Okay? And just in case meron kang approval from other brands, pwede mo i-transfer dito. Alright? Huwag natin patagalin to. Pasukin agad natin Hilux E. So, this is the Hilux E. Right? Meron pa rin yung fog lights. Okay? By the way, naka-mugs yan. Meron din tayong step board and bed liner. And ang mahalaga dito, since you click this Hilux E, let's go inside first. And we begin by what? At the side mirror. So, meron to integrated signal light. Right? Nice. So, pakita ko lang yung step board. I hope nakikita nyo, ha? Dilim dito eh. Okay? And what about this door knob na chrome accent? Ganda. And this is the door panel. Okay? Isa-isahin natin to. Right? So, this is the control panel para sa windows. Okay? Joystick design. Okay? To adjust the side mirrors. Meron siyang fold and unfold. Central lock window. Central lock all doors. And the 4-window control. So, ito yung design ng door niya. Mechanism. And merong handle dito with fabric. Yan. Fabric design. Silver accent. This one is what? This is not leather, ah. It's hard plastic. One tweeter here. And of course, at the other side also. Meron yung tweeter. Okay. Under is what? One speaker. Okay. Nice. Meron siyang isang cup holder with what? Extended. And meron ditong lamp. Alright. A reflector. Just in case inopen mo tong door, especially kung nasa highway ka, at least meron dito added safety reflector. And what is the adjustment? So, maganda, meron seat height adjustment to. Okay? Adjustan ng sandalan. And under, so if you're wondering about this, wala siyang laman. Pero just in case, in the future, if you want to upgrade this Hilux E, like for example, putting up, isang LED bar, you can put the switch here. So, one example lang yan. And ito naman yung pang-open ng gas natin, pang-open ng hood. Okay? Retractable cup holder. Okay? Aircon vent. Yeah, and meron tayong handle dito. Okay? Just in case may gout ka, konting gout para matulungan tayo sa pag-akyat. So what? Let's go inside. Okay? Isa-isayin natin to. So ito meron tayong volume control here. Adjustment ng station or select ng track. So meron tayong mode here for the shortcut. So every time you push this, switch ka between AM, FM, or what? Bluetooth, Apple Android CarPlay, voice command, answer call, hang up. Okay? So meron dito, if you're wondering about this cursor, okay, itong cursor na to is to adjust that settings there. Yan. Andito sa maliit na LED na to, LCD na to, is yung pang-adjust mo ng settings mo dito sa vehicle. Okay? So, paano mo ina-navigate yan? By using this arrow. And ito yung nasa middle na to is the enter button. Then this one is the back. Alright? So, yung mga nakaabot ng Nokia phone, yeah, maganda. Parang ganun ang ginagawa mo dyan. Then, this one is the hotkey. Alright? Pwede ka mag-assign dyan ng shortcut. Okay? So, pakita ko lang yung speedometer, guys. Yan. Ganda. It's analog combined with LCD. Okay? So, dito tayo sa infotainment. So, itong infotainment nito maganda. touchscreen naman siya. Okay? Then, with side buttons dito. Yan, kita nyo may home, menu, audio, info, rotary volume control, then channel, track, phone connection, then shortcut key para sa apps. Ito yung pang-tune mo ng radio station. Okay? So, that's ito yung siya, malaki rin siya. Yan yung kamay ko. Okay? So, under is this, meron kang auto. Okay? Itong auto, maganda to. Auto max yan. Okay? Each time na pipindutin mo yan, isasagad niya yung aircon blower. Off button, front defogger, rear defogger, blower control. Okay? Meron airflow. Kung gusto mo sa muka, meron din sa paa. So, ito naman yung intake for the circulation. Pwede mong papasukin yung hangin outside or within the cabin. So, meron dito itong dual zone. Alright? So, pwedeng magkaiba yung temperature. Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin lang naman yan, kunyari itong passenger mo dito is nilalamig siya. Pwedeng sa kanya, less lang yung lamig. Then, sa'yo retain. So, dual zone, yun lang naman ibig sabihin yan. Then, ito naman yung thermostat. Then, under is meron tayong dalawang power supply. Okay, itong power supply na to, ito yung classic eh. Oh. Ayan eh. Previously, sa mga 90s kids natin, yan. Ano siya? Pang lighter. Pero ngayon na wala nang ganon. So, under, meron tayong button dito for the traction and USB connection. Okay. Yan. Yan, i-connect yan para mag-integrate yung Apple and Android CarPlay. So, ito, meron tayong pocket dito, center pocket. Pwede lagay ng phone, coins, card. Meron tayong dalawang cup holder. Alright? So, meron tong eco mode. Simple lang naman ang eco mode. Mas magiging matipid sa gas itong sasakyan nyo. Okay? Then, power mode. Mas aggressive yan, especially kung uphill. Maraming laman na cargo yung likod nyo. Okay? So, pwede mo i-activate yan para panghatakan siya. Okay? Pwede ring pangharurot, pang-overtake, expressway. Okay? Then, this one is the park. Reverse, neutral. So, meron tayong Tiptronic plus minus na drive. Okay? Ganda. So, if you're wondering about this, bakit walang knob? Tinanggal lang to. Dahil showroom display unit to. Tinanggal lang muna yung knob. Then, this one is the classic handbrake. Napakaganda. Grab lang, then handbrake ka na. Okay, wala nang tingin-tingin. Another center pocket. Then, dito meron pa tayong isang bulsa. Okay, ito yung kamay ko Kita nyo Right? Ganda. Okay. So, ito naman sa front passenger. Kita niyo yung texture ng seat. Yan. Ang ganda. Okay. It's fabric. Okay. Nice. So, dito naman sa passenger side, same. Merong isang window control button. Okay. Yan. Then, isang cup holder na extended. So, yung cup holder niya, pwede kayo maglagay ng files. Okay. Nice. And meron tayong glove compartment. Okay. Hard plastic. Then meron ding additional na pocket dito. Okay. So halos dalawa. Okay. The aircon vent. Then meron tayong retractable cup holder pa din. Nice. Ganda. So moving on tayo sa headliner. Okay. Merong salamin. Ganda. Nice. And the headliner control is this. Yan, ilaw kita nyo So, ang function niya ito, off button, door function. Okay. Then, meron tayong lagay na sunglasses. Nice. And driver side, meron ba to? Wala tayong mirror dito sa driver side. Meron lang tayong ipitan. Yan. Pwede yung rehistro nyo. Okay. And the classic rear view mirror. Right, nice. So ito nga pala yung aircon vent sa harap. Dito yung hazard button, adjust ng clock, hour, minute. Diyan, blower control. Yan. Yan, nice. So, meron tong mga handlebar at each door. Okay? Especially kung may elderly kayong sasakay dito. Yan. Lahat ng 4 na doors is meron siyang handle. Okay? Then maganda, meron ding handle dito Yan, sa front passenger yan. And meron din dito sa driver. Yan, na-mention ko kanina. Baka may konting gout yung magdadrive. So, moving on. We're done here at the first row. Moving on at the second row. Whoa! So, this is the door panel design. So, door mechanism. Okay? This one. Window control. Button. So, merong hawakan with fabric design again. Ganda. Silver accent. Hard plastic. Right? One speaker under. See this? And, yan. Meron siyang cup holder extended. So, the design ng seats niya, of course, 3 ang headrest natin. Nice. Ang ganda. Okay, meron tayong sabitan dito. Okay. Nice. Okay, pwedeng sabitan niya ng polo mo. Right? And of course, meron tayong lagayan ng file sa likod. Nice. Fabric design with the center light, center cabin, door function, and lit. Okay. So, off. Kita nyo. And that's the second row. Very simple. Alright? And usually, nandito meron diyang pocket sa ilalim. Okay. Taguan. Pakita ko lang yung pocket niya sa likod. So, usually nandito yan, yung pocket niya. Yan. So, merong hinahatak dito na tali. Okay. Yan. So, yan. Yan. Ito naaangat to guys. Kita nyo ba? So, under is, dyan nakalagay yung tools. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin na secret pocket. Okay? Yeah. And that's the second row. Ganda. So, pakita ko yung cabin natin with awesome bed liner. Right? Ganda. So, sa mga matagal na nagda-drive, usually, ito na lang yung prefer nila Ayaw nila yung Toyota Safety Sense. Sabi nga nung isa, lumaki nga tayo nang wala yan So. And this is the design of the taillight. Ganda. Right? Simple, classic, Hilux. And meron tayong silver accent dito with what? A reverse camera. Okay? Paborito ng lahat. Kailangan na kailangan nyo yan, especially pick up to. And meron tayong reverse sensor. Okay? So, meron at the other side. Ilan ba tong reverse sensor? Actually, 2 lang siya. 1 and 2. Then, backing camera. So, meron ka ng backing camera, meron ka pang backing sensor. Ewan ko na lang. So, the Hilux E. Right? So, ito, yan Okay. Nice. That's the bed liner. Right? Okay. Nice. This is the Hilux E. And dito sa likod, of course, meron tayong mga talian. Yan So, 4 yan guys 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? Nice. Okay. So, yan. And by the way, walang hydraulic tong likod Unlike doon sa mga higher variant ng Hilux, mas magaan iangat yon. Okay? Kailangan nyo ng konting effort para iangat yan. Okay? I'm sure yung mga ibang may Hilux na, alam nila yan. Okay? Ikutan natin, What's the mags design? Ganda. It's all black. And ang size niyan is what? 17. Okay? Ganda. Classic na classic look. And by the way, itong rear wheel natin is what? Drum brakes. Okay? Yan o. Nice! And wala siyang over fender. So, maganda. Dinesign yan actually para mas bumaba yung price. And you can later on upgrade na lang to. Diba? Okay? So, that's a step board again. Right? So, guys, dun sa mga galit sa atin dahil walang tong price, bakit hindi nyo kayo chat? Call me. Hindi ko nilalagay yung price just because anytime pwede itong magkaroon ng price increase eh. Okay? Yan. So yung bumper design ng Conquest magkaiba ha, versus dito sa Hilux E. Okay? So ito, pakita na nga natin yung car tag dun sa mga nagagalit dahil daw walang price. So the current price is 1,662,000. Okay, this one is automatic variant. Okay, with fog lights. Right. This one is the Hilux E automatic. So guys, after here, ito rin i-shoot ko right now. Re-revisit ko lang to. Actually, meron na akong vlog dito for the red and the white. Pero yung vlog ko previously is the GR Sport. Wala siyang sports bar. So yan hineads up ko lang yan. So this is the Hilux E automatic. Nice. Ganda. Ikutan pa natin ng isa para sulit naman yung pagkaka-click nyo. Yeah. Wow. So, currently, ang maraming supply sa Pinas na arrival is Hilux G and the Conquest 4x2. Marami rin dumadating na GRS. That one is the GRS. Itong Hilux E, hindi siya ganun karami. Okay? So, isi-set ko lang expectation nyo guys especially when it comes to the color availability. Right? Call me, huwag kayong mahiya. Text me. Yeah. So that's the Hilux E automatic. Alright? This is my usual outro. Alright? Meron kaming trade-in dito. Trade-in but by appointment. Okay? Set tayo na appointment. Huwag tayo basta-basta pumunta. Yun na nga baka mamaya wala yung appraisers namin. And then what? Just in case meron kang approval, even sa other brands yan, pwede mo i-transfer dito. Okay? So, that's it. Visit my TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. Bye!